The package has arrived. Alright, we have to unbox it properly and softly. Alright, it's open already and it's a mouse pad, not really important. Another box. Alright, so this is the Gamesir GK100. Alright, so this is the Gamesir GK100 gaming keypad. Let us unbox it. So in the box, as usual, there are manual books, the keypad with USB connection, and a palm rest. Well, I usually playing game on my laptop, so I need an external keyboard. Asus say that the keyboard on their laptops has 20 million clicks of lifespan, but I don't care, I still need an extra keyboard, especially for gaming. Actually, I already had a full gaming keyboard before. It was a cheap keyboard and it is broke already. So I took the backlight pad and I use it as my monitor backlight. The body of this keypad totally made by plastic that made this keypad not too heavy, so you can bring it easily everywhere. It has removable palm rest, just slide it to the left if you want to use it, and the feel is pretty comfortable. This is a wired gaming keypad and the main connection is USB cable. You don't need any drivers if you want to use this keypad on your laptop or PC. Just plug it on and wait until your PC recognizes it. This keypad has 4 silicon keys and 34 keys with professional mechanical blue switch. So the sound will be like this. The backlight of this keypad is not RGB, but it's still cool with 8 different modes. You can adjust the backlight mode by pressing the FN plus ESC button. You can also adjust the brightness of the backlight by pressing FN plus F2 button. There are 5 levels of the brightness. I played a game for a couple hours with this keypad and it has good feel on every click. My palm is still relaxed after playing for hours because of the palm rest. Overall, I like the keypad, even the backlight is not RGB. Every click has good feel and I feel comfortable along I use the keypad. Alright guys, that's a little review about the Gamesir GK100 gaming keypad. What do you think? Does it work for gaming or not? Give me your opinion below in the comment. Thank you for watching this review. Don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe. See you on the next video.